Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kum shibenta ban penkre yakilat jingyada na ka jingwan kansan jong kathma. Ka Directorate Civil Defence bat ko Home Guard Shillong, kala Pynlong ya ka mok Dril ha ki district baper jong ka jilla. Ya kani ka mok Dril la ay jing hikai shaki khna school ki hotel bat ki wei. Ha Nongbah Shillong la Pynlong ha St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School bat ha Poini Suk Hotel. Ha kani ka mok Dril kilapan i kumnu ban ay ka jing irap ya ki bangat ha ka jing mensaw bat ban pinkit iki shaki jaka balong shingan.
How do you feel? Hima is that this Shillong is it represents that at least these are from injury, those different type of injuries, and then this what the people they are unconscious, we cannot do more than transfer indirectly. We can transfer.
So what about green ribbon?
Green ribbon at least still they respond, and then from that if they respond, we can keep them.
Only these three? Only these three?
Yeah.
3 ribbons?
And then black is that.
Oh, black is there.
And that one, if it is that, at least those who are conscious will feel that they are still breathing and then sure.